friends, it's Miss Sonya. Today I'd like to play a guessing game with you. We are going to play a guessing game using objects, and I'm going to ask you if you know what letter these objects begin with. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is lemon, lemon, lime, lime, leaf, leaf, light bulb, light bulb. Okay, do you have a guess? Did you guess L? L. L is for lemon, lime, leaf, and light bulb. Other things that begin with L are your lips and your leg. And if anybody's mom puts on lipstick, those are other things that begin with L. Now I'm writing in shaving cream, so I'm going to now cover up my L for our next letter. Okay, here we go. Ready? Banana, bone, belt, book, boots, Okay, did you make your guess? All right, I'm going to write the letter. Let's see if you were right. Did you guess B? B. All right, I'm going to erase my B. If you have some shaving cream, you could do this at home too. You could practice writing letters or your name, or even just to draw a picture. Okay. Ready for our next letter? Fork, fork. Fox, fox. Flower, flower. Face, face. All right, make a guess. I'm writing the letter. Did you guess F? F. F is for flower and fox and fork and face, and also the numbers 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to erase that number and we'll do one more together. Okay, here we go. I have a pen, pencil, paper, and a pillow. All right, make your guess. Did you say P? P is for pillow and paper, pencil, pen, and I even have some popcorn over here. All right, friends. Hope you are practicing your letters while you're home and your sounds. I'll see you again soon and we could do some more. Bye.